So today I'm reviewing the Apple iMac. This is the new 24-inch iMac, the A2439. This is impressively the new iMac 24 desktop screen. It isn't actually much larger than the old 21.5. However, it has a much better, larger screen, new, modern, colorful design, and delivers excellent performance, all for the same price. It has a 6-speaker sound system, a 24-inch Retina display with a P3 wide color gamut and 500 nits of brightness. This computer is a clear callback to the old school, colorful iMac G63 family computer that sat in most people's living rooms in the late 90s, early 2000s. It acted as a central internet hub for the entire family, and this machine is a better version of the same. In addition to being offered in 7 different colors, orange, blue, yellow, green, pink, and silver, it now ditches Intel processors for its own Apple M1 chip, allowing for a super thin, sleek, lightweight computer. Throw in a 1080p camera for video chats, a 4.5K Retina display for binging Netflix, Touch ID built into the Magic Keyboard to easily switch between user profiles and input passwords, to name a few, and you have the ideal at-home Mac. Speaking of color, the power cord, keyboard, and Magic Mouse will all be in the same color as the board. At under 10 pounds, it's very light, and the stand only takes up 5.8 inches on your desk. Conversely, the 27-inch Mac weighs over twice as much. And the colors will depend upon the configuration and storage chosen. And they're all 8 gigabyte core CPUs and GPUs, but if you want 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports, you get that for $12.99, and it comes in blue, green, pink, and silver. The 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 2 USB 3 ports, that one comes for $15.99, comes in blue, green, pink, yellow, orange, purple, or silver. And then the one with the 4 ports and 2 USB 3 ports starts at $16.99, comes in blue, green, pink, yellow, any of the colors, orange, blue, or silver. You can increase the configuration up to 16 gigabytes of memory and 1 terabyte of storage, while the last 2 options can be upgraded to a 16 gigabyte of memory and 2 terabytes of storage. Depending on what you choose, that'll come at an additional cost. The base configuration also comes with a standard Magic Keyboard, while the 2 more expensive options include a Magic Keyboard with Touch ID. While I can't speak on behalf of creatives who push their iMacs beyond its limit for graphic design or editing photos and videos, I can speak for regular people out there who just need a snappy iMac for emails, web browsing, and messaging through the day and entertainment at night. If you've been holding off on upgrading your desktop or feel hesitant to drop $1,000 on a new machine, I can assure you this one is worth the investment. The 24-inch iMac is an excellent compact machine that packs enough power to provide a super smooth experience. Plus, the pop of color alone will automatically boost your mood on even the toughest of days. I highly recommend this product. And that is all I have for you today, Boomers. Have a great one. Brian Tong, Boomer Life out.